In our last section, we will talk briefly about fluid lines and fittings. Installation of rigid tubing. When making an installation of rigid tubing, each run of the tubing must have at least one bend in it to allow for the shifting of the line as it is pressurized. Dents in the heel of a bend in a piece of hydraulic tubing are not acceptable. Dents in other parts of hydraulic tubing are acceptable if their depth is less than 20% of the tube diameter. Metal tubing is sized by its outside diameter and flexible holes by the inside diameter on all aerospace vehicles. When installing metal tubing, tension is undesirable because pressurization will cause it to expand and shift. In the layout of fluid lines, it is important to follow the following guidelines. Provide slack or bend in the hose line to provide for changes in length that will occur when pressure is applied. Observe the linear strip. The hose must not be twisted. High pressures applied to the twisted hose may cause failure or loosen the nut. Relieve sharp bends, avoid strain or hose collapse, and make cleaner installations by using elbows or other adaptive fittings. Provide as large a bend radius as possible. Provide additional bend radius when lines are subject to flexing, and remember that the metal end fittings are not flexible. Place line support clamps so as not to restrict the hose flexing.